Hello everyone, welcome back to eSHa Public Skills Learning. Grow up together with the power of skills. This is the channel where we explore the exciting world of refrigeration and air conditionings in a way that's simple, light, and fun to learn. Today we are going to talk about one of the most essential tools for every refrigeration and air conditioning technicians. Yeah, the manifold gauge. You might have seen technicians at your home carrying a tool that looks like two motorcycle speedometers with three colorful hoses. Yeah, that's the manifold gauge. This tool is must-have instrument used to measure or read the refrigerant's pressure inside the cooling systems. Now, if you're wondering what exactly is a refrigerant, a refrigerant is substance that flows inside an air conditioning system to move heat. In Indonesia, usually people often call it freon, but actually freon is just a brand name. The correct term is refrigerants. Well, so why is pressure so important? Yeah, because pressure is the key data that tell us whether a cooling system is working efficiently and optimally. From pressure readings, we can find out if the system is wasting electricity, has leak, or is performing perfectly to give you that cool, comfortable air. Next, the measured pressure is then compared with the standard pressure, and from that we can also get other important information such as saturation temperatures, either evaporating temperature or condensing temperatures. But don't worry, we will discuss the saturation deeper in another video about the principles of the refrigeration and air conditioning systems. Back to the topics. Usually, a manifold gauge has two pressure gauges, blue for low pressure and red for high pressure. However, these days there are also single gauge versions, usually just the blue one, since residential air conditionings only have a service port on the low pressure side, as you can see in the illustration right now. Besides that, the manifold gauge also has three hoses, blue for low pressures, red for high pressures, yellow for the service line, used during refrigerant charging, vacuuming or evacuations, pressure testing, recovery, and other service operations. Alright, that's the general function of the manifold gauge. A simple tool, but one that's absolutely vital for every cooling technician. Without these tools, a technician is just like a doctor without a stethoscope. And in the next video, we'll learn how to read pressure scales on a manifold gauge, so you can truly understand how an air conditioning system speaks through its pressure readings. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bells, and share this video with your friend who want to learn about the world of cooling technology. Finally, the conclusion is the manifold gauge isn't just the tools with needles and hoses. It's the eyes and ears of technicians. With this tool, you can read the heartbeat of cooling systems, whether it's healthy, weak, or need a little service by the minute. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next learning video. Only on eSHa Public Skills Learning. Grow up together with the power of skills.